So today we are working on a pull-on walk-behind lawnmower, and this actually belongs to some friends of mine, and they said, "Hey, can you service my lawnmower?" I said, "Sure." "When's the last time you serviced it?" They said, "Well, we've never serviced it. We bought our house 13 years ago, we bought the lawnmower to go with it, and we've never done anything except put gas in it." Well, here we go, a 13-year-old lawnmower getting its first service. So I've already drained the oil out of it. As you can imagine, the oil was black. Over here is where I put it. Not all of that's from this lawnmower, but that is as black as this oil was. So the next thing we're going to do, and it does run, but it runs really rough. So what we'll be doing is we're going to be taking the gas tank off and replacing the diaphragm that's under the carburetor here. Of course, we'll give it a new air filter and new spark plug and sharpen the blades. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is to take off the air filter. Just a flathead screwdriver. Not too bad, but we'll clean that up. And then we're going to take the whole mechanism off here, the whole carburetor and the gas tank. And we're going to do that using a 3/8 inch socket. So we've got a bolt over here to take off. And then inside here, this piece here is just a rubber boot. Go ahead and pull that off. And then inside here, the longer bolt. And we can just gently wiggle it off. Now there's some linkage up here. We've got a spring, and we've got a piece of linkage here that's on the carburetor. And let's get this spring off here first. There you go. And then come on now. Tip it this way. There we go. And pick up my spring. So now we're going to focus on what's going on here.